For 300 years, there's been a whole industry that revolves around stories. There are editors and reporters, investigators and photographers, news anchors and cameramen. There are journalists. And journalism can be done well, and it's often done badly. But journalism always matters because stories shape culture. Storytellers play key roles in politics and business and education and religion. Their words and sounds and images form our imaginations and emotions. They tell us who we are, where we came from, and where we're going. Some people are content to be told those stories. Patrick Henry College is for people who want to tell them. Telling great stories requires preparation. PHC's Classical Liberal Arts core is the foundation. It helps students understand the most important ideas and people in Western civilization. And our journalism program teaches them to integrate their biblical worldview and journalistic skill into a coherent whole. Students begin by practicing at the student newspaper. They go on to terrific internships in Washington, D.C. and elsewhere with some of the biggest names in national media, both Christian and mainstream. This kind of intellectual and spiritual preparation means PHC graduates own the key tools of a journalist. See the world clearly, think clearly, and write clearly. That opens up many different career paths. As journalists, they tell captivating stories. As communications professionals, they craft truthful and persuasive messages as press secretaries, speech writers, and more. PHC graduates make a difference because they can make the case, whether advocating for persecuted Christians or better public policy. What's more, the major prepares students to engage the world of ideas through careers in scholarship, education, law, and policy analysis. Our alumni have gone on to create powerful digital content in graphic design and film. This is a perfect time for Christians to embrace journalism. To live rightly, we must understand the times in which we live, the culture that shapes our imaginations, and the people God calls us to serve. To help people do that, to help people see the world clearly, is a profoundly noble calling. It's what great storytellers do. It can be what you do. Come join us.